wardrobe on 10. There's at least 100, everything gon' flee. That's why she keep me coming, don't need no weed. Just so I can grab it if I'ma spend this money on her.
Hey too, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another Valentine's Day makeup look tutorial. Today we did a cute hot pink eyeshadow look and added some glitter into that. So this is the look here. Again, I did indicate that in my previous videos I am going to make a few more of these Valentine's Day makeup looks just to kind of inspire you for the Valentine's Day, and hopefully one of these looks or one of the previous looks kind of match what you are looking for or your outfits, of course. And if you're looking to achieve this look here, just stay tuned and watch the video.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with applying the e.l.f. concealer on the eyelids and just blending that out. And I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. Then I went in with the James Charles Morphe palette, and we're going to use that shade right there. And we're just going to go ahead and blend that out on both of the eyelids. Then I'm going back in the same palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take that light pink shade color and then just apply it over just to kind of blend it all out. So that way it's kind of like a neutral tone and not so bright of the brown. Then going back in the same palette and taking that hot pink and just going to apply that eyeshadow all over the eyelid on both sides. Then you could go ahead and apply as much as the eyeshadow you want, depending on how hot pink you want your eyelids to be. Then going back in on that same palette and taking that light pink shade and just blending it all out together evenly. And then I'm going to go in with the AOA liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that along my lash line. I'm not doing a full eyeliner, just applying it on the lash line. And then I'm going to go in with mascara and just applying that on before I apply my falsies. Then going back in with the Sheen lashes that I've used previously, and I'm just going to apply those lashes. I do like these lashes. It gives kind of like a lash extension look, and it's very full and voluminous, which I do like, and I think it fits best with this look. Then I'm going back in with my e.l.f. concealer and just going to apply the first base of my concealer underneath my eyelids to cover up all the bags that we have, and any acne scars or anything that you just kind of want to shade away from being exposed. Then going in with my Wet n Wild's press-on powder and just applying that powder throughout my whole entire face, just so that way the foundation sticks and the foundation doesn't look so oily after applying. Then going in with my NYX Blur foundation, and I'm just going to apply that throughout my whole entire face and just blend that all out. And then to make sure that the foundation sticks and everything is pressed on smoothly, I'm going in with my beauty blender and just going to go ahead and blend all of that foundation out just to kind of even out all of the tones. Then going back in with that same e.l.f. concealer and just applying the second layer of concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with the Ace Beauty contour palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use that shade there, and I'm just going to go ahead and start my contour with the cheeks, and I'm going to go ahead and carry that down below my chin area, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my forehead area as well. Then I'm going to go in with my nose contour. And then to make sure that my nose contour is fully blended, I went in with the Beauty Blender just to blend it all out evenly. Then as far as powder, I'm going to go in with my Revolution banana powder there, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on. If you watch my previous videos, you guys all know I don't like to bake, so I'm just applying that powder on. And I'm going to go ahead and start to brush off all of that powder after applying it. Then after brushing off all that powder, I'm going back in with the same contour brushes that I used and without applying any extra product, just to kind of even it all out. Then going back in with my complexion palette and using that blush shade there. And this is going to apply that on my cheeks and use as much blush as you like. I love blush, so I use a lot. Then going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to go ahead and use that light shade there. And I'm just going to apply that highlight on my cheekbones, and then of course you could apply as much highlight as you possibly would like to just give that extra glow. Then going back in with the same James Charles palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the hot pink shade that we had used on our eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and apply that below my lower lash line. And you know how it be, your girl over here poked her eye, couldn't see for a bit, but we back in action. I'm going to go ahead and finish applying the eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with this eyeshadow press glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in my inner duct. And then I did go ahead and carry that eyeshadow out below my eyelash line like I did with the eyeshadow, just to kind of give it a full look. And then I did go ahead and carry it above the lashes and just kind of carrying it kind of like into the crease. Then I went in with mascara after, and I just applied that on my lower lash line on both sides. And of course, going in with my LA Girl lip liner, applying that. And I'm going to go in with the Pixie liquid lipstick and apply that, and then just to kind of even it out. Then I'm going to reline my lips. And I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lip gloss. I love this lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply that just to give it a glossy look. And that's the finished look. And of course, I am going to go ahead and move forward with doing my hair off camera. I'll be right back.
So I went ahead and did my hair off camera. So this is the full look here. I love how the glitter just kind of brought the look together. Like I indicated earlier in the video, I am going to post a few more videos before Valentine's Day to kind of just put some more looks out there for you guys to kind of get ideas, or, you know, see if any of these looks that I do kind of inspires you, or, you know, goes with one of your looks that you have planned for the day. But of course, thank you for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for all of the upcoming videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.